Have you ever noticed that low, creaky tone some people use at the end of their sentences? That's called vocal fry, and it's more common than you think. But why do people use it, and why does it shape how we see them? Neuroscience shows vocal fry can actually influence how authentic or authoritative someone sounds. When we hear vocal fry, our brains subconsciously link it to vulnerability, which can make a speaker seem more genuine. That subtle rasp signals, "I'm relaxed, I'm just like you." At the same time, research finds that in certain contexts, like interviews or podcasts, vocal fry can project confidence or even authority, especially among younger people. But here's the twist. Depending on culture and social setting, vocal fry can either boost credibility or trigger judgment. In some circles, it's a badge of relatability. In others, it's seen as unprofessional. Next time you catch yourself slipping into vocal fry, ask, am I trying to fit in, sound real, or just be heard? Our voices are more than sound. They're signals, shaping connection and trust with every word. Do you think this explains you, or someone you know? Comment below. Understand them. Understand yourself. Welcome to the Human Decoder. Please like and subscribe for more.